Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lucas and I'm a wedding DJ from Germany. In this video I want to introduce myself to you a little more and answer my top 3 questions to you. Get it? The first question is, how and when did I started to DJ? This question takes me back to 2009 when Julius, a good buddy of mine, introduced me to a guy called Hui. Hui, who is also known as DJ Razen B, was DJing in all the biggest clubs in Münster. I will link all his socials down below, so make sure to check him out. So Julius and I learned all the DJ basics and all the fundamentals from Hui. But not only that, Hui was sweet enough to also tell us what to buy and how to start with our own equipment. And at that time, Hui was, I don't know if he still does, but he was playing with turntables and scratching and doing all this good stuff. And so he recommended to us to buy a mixer section and 2 turntables. And so we ended up buying 2 Technics turntables MK2 and a Pioneer DJ mixer. Also, we got Serato Scratch Live and of course a laptop. And since we only got one setup, Julius had it for a few weeks and then I did. After practicing nights and days and many weeks, we had our first gig. A friend of us asked if we could support her 16th birthday. And after that, we could also play at the 18th birthday, which also was from a friend. So we took those 2 gigs and it was on a Friday and on a Saturday, back to back, and it was really excited because we just didn't really know what we got into at that point. We were happy that we did that together because otherwise it would have been, I think, too difficult, because setting up the venue, just planning all this stuff, getting all the tracks together, and then DJing the whole night was very exhausting, and it was always cool to have like this switch to be making music for an hour and a half an hour, and then the other one would take over. And this also made the music, I think, a bit more interesting, and after that weekend we were so stoked and just wanted to be DJing more. We both finished school and moved to different cities, and sadly we never played together since then, but the name DJ Moonibys was actually created from us in that time, so I'm carrying this name still, and so it always remembers me on that awesome time. But we're still friends, of course, over the years, and we see each other a couple times a year, and it's always fun to talk about those parties from then. Question number 2, did it ever happen that nobody danced? I think it's the worst thing ever that can happen to a DJ, but luckily I never had this happen to me. So the question number 3 is, what was your worst DJ experience? And I have to say that's in 2013 or 14, it was a wedding I was playing at, and I was setting up my system. I was still carrying my turntables with me, and with that comes also that you play with needles. And those needles were very sensitive, and one of them broke because before I started playing. And it was very stressful, of course, and so I had to teach myself what could I do and how to get over this problem. And one fix was that I played with one DJ turntable and always switch songs on this turntable. And it was very difficult at first, but I got quite good at it over the night, and nobody noticed that this other turntable was just standing there and didn't get used. So it's a very hard way to learn that kind of stuff, but in this moment I was forced to do it, and it's kind of stressful in that moment, but I'm happy I had a good outcome. That's it. I hope you got a few insights more about me, and if you have any further questions to me, just write them down in the comments below. I'm very happy to answer them after this video is uploaded. And if you want a lot more of valuable DJ tips, subscribe to my channel and also make sure to hit the notification bell. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye.